Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to be looking at our December 2025 Unity Kit of the Month. It was on my porch yesterday and we did not get a chance to look at it. I just opened it up and let's look at it. I didn't even go on the internet and look at it. Okay, okay, so we've moved from young ladies to more mature ladies. Look at this. So we got this pretty flower. This is a December flower. Empathy, sympathy. We got a little angel. Oh, these puppies are too cute. We got some socks and this lady. So we only got one, two, three, four images really, because these could be all together. This puppy is adorable. I had a dog like that. His name was Chicago. He was all black though, so cute. I think this is the dog that Chewbacca was fashioned from. So it says, with deepest sympathy and quiet remembrance, may peace gently find its way to your heart. Grateful for the warmth of your kindness, wishing your comfort, wishing you comfort where words cannot reach. Simply sending love. Life's too short to pretend like people. That's her. Inwell, Inel. I don't, peace looks good on you. Inner peace. This R is look like two L's though. Another year, another chance to call ourselves enlightened. Be bold, be bright, be beautiful, be unmatched. No, be bold, be right. Excuse me. Be bold, be bright, be beautiful, unmatched. Life is too short to match socks. You're the cozy in my chaos. Aw, that would be for these little puppies. My gosh, another year, another chin hair. Happy birthday, right? You can put a cake and put her on top of the cake, right? You're the kind of friend everyone needs. Just a hello. Have a fairy birthday. Spark a little magic everywhere you go. Twinkle on sweet girl. So we have one, two, three, four, five sentiments for like bereavement. They gave us two sentiments for the puppies. One, two, three, four for the lady, and three for the girl, this little fairy, and then three for the socks. And it's called Soulmates Twinkle Heart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Puppy Paws and Winter's Gentle Heart. So let's see. I wonder which one they've given us as a sample. Let's look at the free stuff real quick. So they did the puppies. Okay, that's cute. The paws are not a part of it. That would have been a nice touch though. Oh, and this is all Valentine's. Okay. So you get a little card, an envelope, and some tags. You know, we're gonna make some of these soon, so we can stop buying these things. We're gonna make some, start to finish. All right, so we got the puppies and the flowers. Warm winter condolences. And let's see. So this flower is pretty big. It has a pine cone. Looks like two pine cones, and I don't know what this white flower is. If they colored it, I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, and then the puppies they used peace, pause, and possibility kit of the month. Cute. These puppies are fairly small. This is not one of my favorite kits. The whole year I think they were doing good, and then I mean you can't have a perfect run, right? It's nice to try, but it's okay. Like she's a decent size. This flower, of course, is nice. The little fairy. I like the socks. I think we had socks like this before. Overall, I'm not very like, oh my gosh, it's such a great kit. Wow. We're gonna probably use her one or two times, but if I had a chance to skip a kit, this would be a skipped kit. I like puppies, but I have a few dog stamps, so I don't need that. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing bagging. Let me know which one is your favorite of all of these lovely images. I think more so, I'm kind of like, the size isn't that great because they gave us so many words. The words. It's more words than it is images. And I'm a big image person, right? So, anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.